So I start getting these extension samples in, and it was pretty obvious right off the bat which ones were really great quality, which ones were some not so great quality. It's kind of funny because so here's what happened, because it was a really interesting story. I get all the extension samples in, and the extensions that I get in from our current manufacturer, I get these extensions in and I'm like, oh my gosh. When you laid out all of these extensions, is a very obvious winner, which one was better quality. I mean, it was hands down. I brought Cassie in, and if you don't know Cassie, Cassie is my right hand lady. She doesn't do hair, doesn't do beauty or anything like that. But I was like, Cassie would know which ones of ladies out for Cassie. It's so obvious. Anybody would be able to tell which ones are the ones to go with. My husband was like, oh yeah, these ones are awesome. Look at, like, they feel amazing. It was just so obvious which extensions were superior to all the rest, right? But the problem is I couldn't afford them. I couldn't afford them. We could not afford these extensions from this manufacturer because it would just put the price point, the retail price point, just way too high. And I was like, I don't want to do that. I started going with the second best choice. Now, the second best choice wasn't even close to my actual winner, but huge mistake, because I had actually put the pricing in for the manufacturer that we loved. I had put the pricing in for them wrong. And it was actually the same price for those extensions as it was for my second choice, which their extensions were trash. I suddenly realized that we could afford the amazing extensions and the ones that I actually wanted. And I think I cried. I was so excited, and I was like, we found our manufacturer. We found them. Oh my gosh, I've been going through this process for months. And I think we just found them, like, because we can afford this. And I just couldn't believe that we were going to be able to bring this incredible quality hair to the market and be able to keep it within the price point we wanted to keep it in and all of that. I was over the moon. You have no idea.